How to change password. First, turn the dial to the correct password position and press the reset button behind the lock from position A to position B. Set a new password. Then turn the reset button back to position A, and the password reset is complete. How to retrieve a forgotten password. Press and hold the back of the password with your left hand. Turn the password dial until it cannot be turned. It is the correct number. By using this method to find the 4 correct numbers. The password can be retrieved.